Hello everyone. So here is the quick update I'm going to share with you related to the YouTube ads campaign. Right now Google has taken a big decision. The decision is that right now YouTube ads campaign is converted into the demand generation campaigns. Let me show you something. Whenever we are going to create any type of YouTube ad campaign, we go to new campaign, select create campaign without goal guidance, and we choose this option known as video, and then we choose drive conversions. Okay, and now you will see it will automatically convert into the demand generation campaign if you click on this continue button. See this. Right now you are creating demand generation campaign which will replace video conversion campaigns, also known as video action campaigns, starting in early 2025, which means Google is promoting demand generation campaign. And right now if you are running any type of YouTube ad campaign, you have to pause it right now because your YouTube ads campaign is converted into the demand generation campaign. And the best part of demand generation campaign is you will get the 20% more conversions as comparison to video based campaigns. Let me show you how and why you will get the more conversion. Okay, like here you can type your campaign name, you can choose the conversion action which you want to target. All right, you can put a target cost per action. If you want to know how to put this, I will help you on this. All right, you can set your daily ads budget. Everything is same as comparison to whenever you are going to set up any type of YouTube ads campaign, but here is something little bit different what I'm going to share with you. All right, you can choose the devices, either you want to show on mobile phones, computer, it's all up to you. And then this is the important part: Google Video Partners. What does it mean? Video Partners extended the reach of video ads to collection of sites and apps in the Google Display Network. Before that, when we set up any type of YouTube ad campaign, we don't have the option to pause these settings. So now we can pause this to avoid irrelevant traffic. This is the biggest change which demand generation campaign is giving us, that our ads will not be shown into any type of applications or any type of Google related sites to avoid irrelevant traffic. That's why demand generation campaign will give you 20% more return as comparison to video conversion campaigns. All right, and when we come on ad group part, you can show your ads to the states, cities where you want to show your ads. Okay, and in language part you can choose English or whatever your language is. All right, and now when we click on audience section and we click on new audience, so here is the biggest change in audience segment is you can create a look-alike audience, my friend. Yes, like in Meta you are creating a look-alike audience to get the highly qualified leads, but now in Google also you will get the highly qualified leads when you create a lookalike audience. Let me show you how. You have created the audience related to the lookalike audience. Okay, you can choose all converters and you can choose United States. Okay, and now you can choose the lookalike segment: narrow, balance or broad. Okay, so this is the biggest change and it will give you 20% more return as comparison to video based campaigns. Okay, so this is the another change in the demand generation campaign. All right, and the next change is in terms of ad segment. Now you will show your ads in terms of image, in terms of video, in terms of carousel. So now demand generation campaign is going to provide you the opportunity to show your ads into the multiple creatives. It will increase your conversion rate and it will increase your quality of the leads also. So without wasting your time, switch your YouTube ads campaign into the demand generation campaigns so that you will get the highly qualified leads. My clients are getting best results. So if you want to learn how to set up profitable demand generation campaign, I'm going to help you on this. Comment below whatever your business is and comment yes, you want to learn. I'm going to help you. Thank you.